Hey foodies, let's cue the crunch with the quick kulcha pizza recipe. Take a soft kulcha, spread a thin layer of pizza sauce like this, lay down a slice of cheese, sprinkle some grated carrot, chopped tomato, and crisp onion rings. Some more I would like to take. Sprinkle oregano for that classic zing. Now pop it in a microwave for just 30 seconds. And our cheesy veggie kulcha pizza will be ready within 30 seconds. Let's cut it, make the slices, and enjoy this mini pizza pack. Yum. It's tasty. Try the recipe. Thank you.